huge victory for Indigenous tribes across the country. Today, the Supreme Court voted to uphold a decades-old law that governs tribal adoptions. The Indian Child Welfare Act of 1978, which gives priority to Native families to adopt Native children. Now, this was all in response to the high number of Native American children being placed with non-Native families or boarding schools over several decades. CBS News Bay Area reported extensively on the generational damage those boarding schools had on Native tribes by systematically removing Native culture from their families in an effort to erase any kind of tribal connection or identity. And that trauma has played a direct role in the epidemic of mental illness, addiction, domestic violence, and missing and murdered Indigenous women in many of these tribes. Challenges to the law were brought on by several adoptive parents who claimed that this law was discriminatory. However, Governor Gavin Newsom, Attorney General Rob Bonta, and President Biden all praised the High Court's 7-2 decision. We're joined now by Anthony Guzman, who is the Chief Cultural Officer at Friendship House, a San Francisco nonprofit. Thanks so much for joining us. Now, this was a surprise how quickly this came down. What was your reaction to the Supreme Court's ruling, and why is it important for Native children to be with Native parents?
I know there's a lot of celebration going on right now, but my first feeling was just relief, because it really shows that reason prevailed today. When I think of ICWA, I think of best practice, and it's so critical that our children are with our families, and that by doing this, it's going to ensure that generations of our Native children are going to be with their families and maintain their identity and continue the culture, because our children are the forebearers of the culture and those ceremonies, and that will ultimately was our best practice and our trauma-informed care as far back as we can remember.
Yeah, we talk a lot about the boarding schools and what a huge effect that has had on Indigenous tribes to this day. Even children who weren't in the boarding schools are impacted by this, by the generational trauma. You work with folks every single day who are undergoing their own troubles. What are you seeing? And talk a little bit about that trauma that so many Native people are enduring right now because of what's happened in the past.
At the Friendship House Association of American Indians, Inc., our business is healing. We're in the business of healing the people that come through our doors every day, and a lot of that healing results in the security of the family, bringing families back together, and the identity and the cultural methods that we use ensure that those folks that are coming through the doors are going to be able to take that back to their families. And when the people were taken away from their lands, what we found was not only were they taken away from their lands, they were taken away from ceremonies. The families were dismantled, and by the Friendship House providing this level of care for folks coming through the doors brings a sense of spiritual wholeness back to our folks. And again, with ICWA being passed today, it is our children that will learn these ways and continue to provide that to their children. And when I think of ICWA, ICWA again is a best practice, not only for Native people, but I think it really talks about the values of Native people and how that best practice, I think, can really be understood on a level for all people.
I know at Friendship House you deal a lot with folks who have addictions, and you use Native culture to try to help with some of that rehabilitation. It's not a traditional form of rehab that we're used to hearing about. Can you tell us a little bit about how you use Native culture and those traditions to help people recover from addictions?
A lot of this oftentimes comes down to prayer and ceremony, and these prayers and ceremonies really are something that as people walk through the door, we look at treatment as that ceremony, the food that people are taking, and really understanding how we use these songs and these dances and these methods as the quintessential importance here is honoring the relationship to the land, the relationship to our ancestors, the relationship to your family, friends. And when we look at honoring relationship, you can see how that really impacts all things in Native culture. And I think it's something that, I deeply value. And we see the impacts of, families being put back together and people getting healthy and returning back home. and really, strengthening not only their families but the community and ensuring that their nations are strong.
Well, today it was definitive, 7-2 vote by the Supreme Court upholding the Indian Child Welfare Act, a huge victory for Indigenous tribes, not only here in California, but across the country.
Absolutely.